Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this pretty and very easy cord. Now this cord can be used for a variety of crochet projects like as a tie-up for your frocks, skirts, as well as for your drawstring bags and many more. So let's see how this is worked out. Here I have taken a 4-ply cotton yarn and a 3 mm crochet hook. First make a slip knot and work 2 chains. Skip the first chain from the hook and insert your hook into the next chain and pull up a loop. Now you are having 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first loop. Again you will be having 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Now going into a stitch just below, insert your hook, pull up a loop. You will be having 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first loop. Again you will be having 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull to the 2 loops. So this you need to repeat for the required length of your cord. I'll just show you once again. Inserting into the stitch just below, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull to the first loop, again yarn over, pull to the next 2 loops. So just continue with this process. I worked the cord for the length of 20 cm and the design of the cord is now more prominent. Isn't it very easy and quick to do? So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it really very useful as well as interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.